If your Rockstar Games Launcher won't open or keeps crashing, don't worry. In this video, I will show you 3 quick fixes to get it working again. Let's jump right in. Add Rockstar Games folder to Security Exclusions. Click Start, type Windows Security and open it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click Manage Settings. Scroll to the bottom and find Exclusions. Click Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Add an exclusion, choose Folder, and find a Rockstar Games folder. It's usually in C Program Files. Select the folder and confirm. Choose everything and try opening the launcher again. Rename the Rockstar Games folder. Open Files Explorer and go to C Programs Files. Find the Rockstar Games folder. Right-click it, choose Rename, and add an underscore at the beginning of the name. Click Continue if a security message pops up. Now go to your desktop, right-click the Rockstar Games Launcher and select Run as Administrator. Give it a few seconds, this usually fixes the issue. Uninstall OneDrive. Click Start, type Settings and open it. On the left, click Apps, then Installed Apps. In the search bar, type OneDrive. If you see Microsoft OneDrive, click the 3 dots next to it and select Uninstall. Once installed, try launching the Rockstar Games Launcher again. And that's it. One of these methods should get your Rockstar Launcher working properly again. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.